daily. We came through in our Mercedes. Lord, look at how we made it. Jacksonville beach. Country girl in a big world.
Jams. Mitsu Media is back.
Finally made it safely. This is our first Airbnb in Jacksonville. It's so nice. This is our living quarters. Come on in, where we will watch TV, sit and relax. It's nice. And then to my left, come on, pull through. To my left is the kitchen soiree bar, where we will have drinks and champagne, mimosas, not really mimosas, but we will have a little champagne. And we're not really cooking, we're eating out, but nice to have. Don out here, he's excited about the experience. He likes it, he likes the place. Let's go outside. And this is our back patio. We are going to lay out tonight, definitely. And enjoy some wine and each other. It's definitely beautiful out here though. It was worth every penny. Oh, and she has a shower. So once you go to the beach, shower. Get that sand off before you enter in. I can't wait. So cute, nice. So nice. Jumping on the stage, I can't believe we made it. This is what we think for. I can't believe we made it. How the hell we see the crowd going at it shit? Living haters are dangerous. Oh, you gotta gang it. But if I change, all the damn fine. She got claim. Alexander Wayne. She a thought that you claim. Can be talking my range. It is July the 15th, and we finally made it to the beach after this man was dressed, because you know I'm always dressed before this man, but we enjoying it. Got our tents up, got our music playing. Go there, see go there, baby go there. I do. Got our wine. See it. Don drinking it right from the bottle. It's every look at this weather, and it's not hot, it's nice. Hey, go ahead, dance for me. I'm out in my head. Hey, no, yo. I'm the money, baby. Hey, go. And I'm in my head. No, yo. Go Don. Fall down.
I love you. There's nothing above you. Really get you. I like your knees get you. The way you carry fancy you. Hold up. If I give you all my money, give you all my time, give you all my love, would you be mine, oh mine? Take you around the world.
It's Lennon.
Okay.
Is it on video?
Yes, on video.
Alright, you guys make a wish. Here we go. Together.
100th anniversary.
Yeah.